Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to resuming that series of Microsoft Fabric training. I'm just giving that overview picture of how we can utilize this Microsoft Fabric for end-to-end analytics. And guys, today's topic is about today's what is real-time analytics in Fabric. Guys, basically real-time analytics is a fully managed big data analytics platform optimized for streaming and time series data. Simple way I want to tell you guys. For example, if the business want the real-time reports, if any transaction is happening, okay, from their business oriented, right? The data which is coming in the form of time series data or streaming level data. They want to analyze those data. Okay, those kind of data they want to analyze in their report. So with help of real timing analytics, we can achieve this. So in Microsoft Fabric, we have this separate component which is helpful for the if you want to do some real time analytics, we can make some end-to-end process, less code of only complete UI navigation. We can implement this one. Okay, so it utilizes a query language and engine with exception performance for searching structured and semi-structured and unstructured data. So guys, basically it utilizes a query language and engine with exception performance. It means inside it having some query language there. With help of that only we can search in particular structured and semi-structured unstructured data. So basically, guys, here what happened, in Microsoft Fabric, we can connect with the custom map, we can connect with IoT, and we can connect the Azure streaming events. Okay. For example, if you want to connect customer with help of API, you want to call those data with help of guest. Okay. So those kind of we can easily done with help of Microsoft Fabric real-time analytics. So real-time analytics is fully integrated with entire suite for Fabric product for both data loading and data transformation and advanced visualization scenarios. So it means, guys, for example, you want to fetch the data from the lakehouse, which is inside the component. Okay. So you want to load data into data warehouse or KQL database or lakehouse. So you can use with help of this real-time analytic feature. And one more thing, if you want to do some before loading into the KQL database, you want to do apply some transformations, right? So you can do like transformation, aggregation, managing fields, all those scenarios we can do, guys. Okay, guys, once you completely develop the design of the flow, you can just refresh the data. The automatically whatever transaction is happening, back inside the streaming data will showing into the target DB, guys. Okay, I will showcase you some one scenario in the real Microsoft Fabric component. But guys, see, we are covering just overview concept, but in-depth concept, if you want to learn in end-to-end scenarios, right? So those concepts are like you have to go through with key things are there in the like. For example, I want to automate this process completely, right? So you can do with help of pipeline activity, or you can do with help of some Microsoft automatic tools. Okay, with that, we integrated with the real-time analytics. So those kind of features we have to develop into it. Those concepts are also like based on this real-time analytics, how we can achieve with help of Microsoft Fabric. So now what makes real-time analytics unique? So guys, capture and transform route the real-time events to various destinations, including custom apps. So I already told you guys, we can load data to custom apps, or we can load real-time data to data warehouse and lakehouse. Okay. So those kind of scenarios, we can capture the data, transform and route the real-time event to various destination. Easily ingest and load data from any source in any data format. So guys, basically load the data from any source in any data format, but general scenario better approach is if you have the JSON format of data, it is easy to like manage the data in the real-time Fabric, guys. What I mean to say, in Fabric we can easily maintain if you have the JSON format of data. That is better approach in order to understand the real-time streaming data, guys. Run analytic queries directly on raw data without need to build complex data model or create a script to transform the data. So we can run analytic query directly and run data without need of build a complex data model. So guys, basically, if you want to do some analyzing the data, right, on raw data, so you do need to build some complex data model or script to transform the SQL script to transform the data. Simply, we can do here with help of directly we can execute the queries on the raw data, guys. Importing data with the default streaming that provide high performance, low latency, high freshness, and data analysis. Importing data undergoes default partitioning, both time and hash based partition, but default indexing. Suppose guys, if you want to import the data, you want to do some time based and hash based partitioning, right? You getting huge amount of, you want to divide those data, real time data, some time oriented. Suppose for example, up to this much time I want to load, right? So you can partition those data based on the partitions options are available. Work with versatile data structure, including query structure, semi-structure, or free text. So guys, these are the data structure which was supported in the real-time analytics, like structured and semi-structured and free text data. Query data with a transformation with high performance, incredibly low response time while using variety of available of operators. For example, if you are doing some query data without transformation with high performance, we can achieve it, guys. Or you can use some operator, guys. Okay, with this, and this link will give some more Kusto like KQL query operators. So if you want to do some transform with help of this operator, we can do without major transformation. Scale to unlimited amount of data from gigabytes to petabytes. Suppose you want to scale your amount of data from gigabyte to peta with unlimited scale to on concurrent queries and concurrent users, guys. So basically, guys, we can unlimited amount of data from gigabytes to petabytes. So with unlimited scale on concurrent queries and concurrent users. Basically, you can unlimited amount of data you can scale up from this gigabytes to petabyte, and we can concurrent these queries and for the particular concurrent users. Integrate seamlessly with other experience and items in Microsoft Fabric, guys. We can integrate with the like for example other items in Microsoft Fabric. So guys, basically one example, like I want to get some unlimited amount of data, guys, so which is coming from real time data. That data I have to call with the help of API that I have used the Microsoft automate for this one. Okay, that automate will help to get the get the API data, and this data can be with help of Microsoft Fabric we can load it. When I refreshing the data, automatically the unlimited amount of real-time data we can get it in the Fabric, guys. So we can integrate seamlessly, guys. Okay, so this is a major thing of what make real-time analytics unique. So this is the architecture, guys. Basically, for example, you're getting data from lakehouse or database or structured or unstructured event streaming data or ML model. So so guys, basically these are the real-time scenarios where in Fabric mostly getting data from this kind of sources. But suppose if you are using some injection methods, CI and shortcuts, or you help a pipeline or data flows, you can use for lakehouse and data where CA and shortcut, but structured unstructured event streaming ML model you can utilize with help of this data pipeline method, guys. Okay, you're creating pipeline and you're calling the structured data, then those data can load into SQL KQL database to lakehouse. Then it is going to Power BI reports or KQL queries or notebook, guys, data science for further requirement purpose. So this is the architecture which is mainly used for the real-time analytic Fabric, guys. Example, guys, sample. This is like, for example, it is like completely one example, guys. Sample data which are available in the Microsoft Fabric. So we have to. I will cover in the future based on my timeline availability. So these are the key things which we are discussing in the future classes in the Microsoft Fabric YouTube series. Thank you guys for your time. Please subscribe my channel.